Language is one of the first means of communication in the dawn of human civilization. It connects minds between individuals in a group of people. Further, language is not just a way of expressing thoughts. It also contains the concept of life. It can also reflect how they form their social structure within a group of people. For example, in Sundanese culture, my culture, language can be used to show respect and humility. When a person wants to address a certain person whom he or she respects, he or she may use different set of expressions. Coming back to the concept that language has the power to connect cultures. There should be a language that can be a bridge to connect different sets of ways many groups of people see the world. Nowadays, there are several languages that are internationally mostly learned and used among different nations and countries. They are English, Chinese, Arabic, Spanish, French, and Russian. Each of these languages has its own speakers and can be a huge divide instead of a bridge. Then, how do we avoid being separated because of language differences? One way is to agree upon a language that can be universally understood among those mentioned above. It is English. Despite the fact that English is not the mostly used language in the world, Chinese being the mostly used, it is regarded as the most widely shared. It is the first language when two persons who speak different language meet and communicate. This fact leads to an opportunity to make the best use of English to connect cultures in the world. English can be used to clarify misunderstandings that may arise when people one-sidedly fuse others' cultural practices without going into the details or reasons as which why such practices are conducted. However, there might be a mind-boggling question. English has been around for centuries. It has been used as early as the first contacts when, I have to say this sadly, the British Empire started to colonize the world. What is the problem then? How can we cope with this? The key is the willingness to learn, understand, and accept other cultures as they are. Not to impose your own culture to other people. Learn a topic together, not exclusively. Agree upon universal values such as honesty, compassion, justice, etc. I strongly believe those values can be talked about and agreed upon. Humanity exists in every culture. All we need is to talk about it across cultures open-mindedly. English is currently the most suitable means to talk about it. Why do I say the most suitable? There's another thing that supports this. English is the most commonly used language in social media. Social media is a platform where people can communicate. English becomes the biggest bridge to unite people in the world. To unite people, I mean, is to have a common understanding once again, not to impose your own culture. Sincerity is then another key aspect. Be sincere to other people. With sincerity, we can talk and discuss things more easily. One thing to achieve this is to admit that all people are equal. Use English to show equality exists among all people in the world.
Merrily we fall out of line,